come.
Come on.
Oh, a little knife dance. Oh, yes.
I got $1,000. You have your $1,000. We're gonna put it inside a balloon. All right. Whoever balloon gets popped first gets to keep the actual money.
I'm
Got it?
popping your balloon.
Let's do it. Let's roll the balloon up first, and then stick the money in. Like make it like that. That goes inside the balloon. Like this. Okay. Tie that off. $1,000 inside the balloon. Let's tape them on our vacuums. First balloon popped wins the money. Deal?
Deal. I'm
All right. You ready to count down from 10? Yeah. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Oh, here we go.
Come on, man. Yes. Some money. Come on, big pink. All right.
Oh, here we go.
Come on, baby.
Here it comes.
Come on.
Back and forth, scanning the area.
I'm coming for you. Slowly but surely.
Find your weak spot. Off this thing.
Come on, big pink. Let's go.
Oh, here we go. Oh, a little balloon touch. Oh, snap. Just a little hug.
Balloon
Just
is
a
way
little
smaller
kiss.
than mine. I have no target.
You know what? It was your choice. You blew it up. Not my problem if you blew it too big. It happens. Come on, Blue. Little Blue. Oh, here we go. So good.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, come on. Oh, no way. That was so close. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, that was so close.
This is so great. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Run away. Run. Let's go.
Come
Let's go
on,
away a little
big
bit.
pink. Let's go. Okay. No one puts pink in the corner. Come on. You got it.
Come on.
Come on. Let's have it. Hard
Really
time.
clean. It's very dirty in that corner. I'm coming for you. Here we go. Just keep that balloon exactly where it needs to be.
About face. About face. Come on. You got this.
Come on.
A lot of corners
Oh,
now.
mine's going for a ride. It's really into the corners, huh? It's very excited with the corners. Mine's taking a bit of a ride. All right, here we
Okay.
go. I'm coming on the
Okay, back
backside.
up.
I'm coming to get you. Come on,
Okay.
Blue.
Come on, big pink. Let's go.
$1,000. That's a lot of money.
I know.
I could like buy a lot of stuff that's cost with that. I could buy a lot of fun things with that.
Come on. Come on.
Here it comes.
Come on.
Oh, here
There
we
you
go.
go.
Just aiming up at him. Uh-oh. Get out of the corner, Blue.
Come
Here
on.
it comes.
Oh, no.
Here we go.
Come on.
Oh,
Feel
it's
it.
in one right turn. Come on.
Oh, boy.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
no. Oh, no.
Here it comes.
Oh, come on.
Oh, a little knife dance. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. I won. Oh, yes.
Oh, my God.
Yes.
No,
Yes,
so
yes,
close.
yes. That was amazing.
God.
I'm totally collecting
Darn it.
money. Before the
Oh,
vacuums,
now you want to pop the
vacuum
balloon.
money.
Now.
Yes. This one, $1,000. $1,000. Thanks to that young lady. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dinner's on me. Hey guys, it's Magic Murray, and I want to say hi to you guys. And also, you're probably noticing the content we're posting now is a little bit different than what we've normally posted on my channel. And the reason why is because the world's changing a little bit, at least the last year. So it's kind of harder for us to do prank tricks as well as our cop pranks that we used to always do on this channel. So I hope you like the stuff we're doing. We're changing it a little bit. Do me a favor, down in the comments, give me a thumbs up or comment if you like this stuff or if you hate it. We're creating all new stuff for you right now, but let me know if you like it, all right? But just a little bit different. It's because of the time and the place that we are in right now. So thanks for watching my stuff, you guys. Stick around, and until next time, I'm gone.